Hello all. So today we learn about the virtual destructor. So virtual destructor is used to free up the memory space allocated by derived class object or instance while deleting instances of derived class using the base class pointer object. So this is the syntax. We use the virtual keyword before the destructor, and the base class destructor uses the virtual keyword so that it is called at the runtime. So derived class destructor is called first, then the base class is called in order to release the memory space. Using namespace ed. So we have class base. So inside the public specifier, we have a constructor, and we are just having a cout base class constructor. Okay. We are closing this, and here we have our virtual destructor for base. Okay, now we are just going to have our base class destructor. Okay, so closing class base, and again we are having a new class which is derived from the base class. And inside the public section, we are going to have a cout derived class constructor and have a destructor having a cout. It is derived class destructor. Inside the main function, we are writing the code derived star d is equal to new derived base star d is equal to, and you are going to edit v to release the memory space. Okay. Now let me save the code. Constructor dot CPP. C++ destructor dot CPP. Therefore, it is destructor yes, to obtain the output. See, first the base class constructor is called, derived class constructor is called, while the destructor, the derived class destructor is called first, then the base class destructor is called. Okay. So hope you are all clear with the concept of virtual destructor. Meet you all in the next video. Thank you.